There's an invisible gigantic monster on the loose, speeding through the intergalactic space very fast. If it were in our solar system, it could travel from Earth to the Moon in just 14 minutes. But there's absolutely no need to worry about it, as luckily this beast is very much far away from us. So what is this all about? Let's find out in this video. Dubbed as the pure serendipity that we stumbled across by Pieter Von Dokkum of Yale University in New Haven, Connecticut, we are talking about a supermassive black hole weighing as much 20 million suns that is traveling through the space with very high speed. This black hole was captured accidentally by Hubble Space Telescope, something that was never observed before. What is striking about this event is that this black hole has left behind a never before seen 200,000 light years long contrail of newborn stars. For the comparison, this star's formation stream is twice the diameter of our own Milky Way Galaxy. It is likely the result of a rare, bizarre game of galactic billiards among three massive black holes. But before going ahead, it looks like nearly 97% of you have not subscribed to this channel yet. If you are new here, let me tell you a little bit about what this channel is all about and why you should consider subscribing. When you subscribe to this channel, you will be notified every time a new video is uploaded. That way, you will never have to worry about missing out on any of the awesome content on astronomy. This channel is intended to be more than just a place to watch videos. It doesn't matter whether you are a professional or an amateur in this. This channel is a community of like-minded people who share a same passion for astronomy. I hope you'll take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join the astronomy community. There is always a place for everyone who shares the same passion for the night sky. Now that being said, let's get back to the video. It has been established that supermassive black holes devour everything in their path. But this cosmic Pac-Man is not gobbling up the stars ahead of it. Rather, this speedy black hole is plowing into gas in front of it to trigger new star formation along a narrow corridor. This black hole is streaking too fast to take time for a snack. Nothing like it has ever been seen before, but it was captured accidentally by NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. This intergalactic skyrocket is likely the result of multiple collisions of supermassive black holes. Astronomers suspect that the first two galaxies merged perhaps 50 million years ago. That brought together two supermassive black holes at their centers. They whirled around each other as a binary black hole. But then it became, as they say, 2 is the company, 3 is the crowd, as another galaxy came along with its own supermassive black hole. Now this became very chaotic situation as these three monsters mixed up together, forming very unstable configuration. One of these black holes robbed momentum from the other two black holes and got thrown out of the host galaxy. The original binary may have remained intact, or the new trespasser black hole may have replaced one of the two that were in the original binary and kicked out the previous companion. This violent, chaotic and highly unstable configuration made the single black hole took off in one direction. The remaining two black holes shot off in the opposite direction. There is a feature seen on the opposite side of the host galaxy that might be the runaway binary black hole. Circumstantial evidence for this is that there is no sign of an active black hole remaining at the galaxy's core. The black hole lies at one end of the column, which stretches back to its parent galaxy. There is a remarkably bright knot of ionized oxygen at the outermost tip of the column. Researchers believe gas is probably being shocked and heated from the motion of the black hole hitting the gas, or it could be radiation from an accretion disk around the black hole. The next step is to do the follow-up observations with NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory to confirm the black hole explanation. NASA's upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope will have a wide-angle view of the universe with Hubble's exquisite resolution. As a survey telescope, the Roman observations might find more of these rare and improbable star streaks elsewhere in the universe. It will be just a matter of time when we get to know more about such events. Thanks to Hubble Space Telescope, it again underlined that the universe is full of such fascinating phenomena. So what do you think about it? Do let us know in the comments section below if you have anything to ask. Do share the video with your friends and family, put a thumbs up for it and subscribe to this channel. Do not miss to follow us on social media platforms as well. We will be back with yet another new interesting video like this. Till then, keep looking up.